My dear students, good evening to everybody. We have comprehensively discussed about calcium carbide, aluminum carbide, beryllium carbide. Calcium carbide react with water, it gives acetylene, so I can call it acetylene, C2H2. So I can call calcium carbide CaC2 is nothing but acetylides, aluminum carbide, Al4C3, it gives methane, so I can call them as a methanides, acetylides, it gives acetylene, so I can call them, this is a acetylide, this gives methane, so I can call it methanides. Okay. Next, the only one thing is remaining. That is halides. Just very simple. In magnesium carbide. So, calcium carbide, you have informed C2 minus. Aluminum carbide, we have informed C4 minus. Aluminum carbide, C4 minus. Calcium carbide, C2 minus. Beryllium carbide also C4 4 minus. Magnesium carbide. You see what your chemist is going to do. Magnesium carbide. What is this? Magnesium carbide. C3 4 minus. Mg, how much? Magnesium plus 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3, 4 plus 3C is equal to 0. 3C is equal to minus 4. C is nothing but minus 4 by 3. Here minus 4 by 3. Mg plus 2. C minus 4 by 3. Okay. So here C3 I have mentioned. Acetylides C2 minus total I have written. Aluminum carbide Al4C3 formula. But what about C? What is the position of carbon valence C? Carbon oxidation state C4 minus. In this one, magnesium carbide, the most important one, it gives C3 4 minus. Each carbon minus 4 by 3. Total carbon 4 minus. Each carbon minus 4 by 3. Okay. Magnesium carbide, Mg2C3, same hydrolysis, you please note it, HEOH, you can write hydrogen and hydroxy, H, OH. Next, gives magnesium hydroxide and, please tell me, one propine, most important one. When magnesium carbide, that is nothing but Mg2C3, the carbon shows, each carbon shows minus 4 by 3. 3 carbon, C3, if you write C3 in magnesium carbide, you simply write C3, you have to write 4 minus. If you write aluminum carbide, C4 minus. If you write calcium carbide, C2 minus. Please note it, otherwise you will be in utter confusion, you will be failed. So, Mg2C3 H2O. H2O you can write like this. HOH. Propine means triple bond between carbon and carbon. Propine means triple bond. Besides H, here there is no H. Here CH. A very simple yeah. This is nothing but allied group. So I can say one propine plus, you know very well, Mg2, 2OH. Mg2 here. So 2 Mg taken twice. 2 Mg OH twice. 2 Mg OH twice. So 2 Mg okay, Mg2 okay. OH taken twice. 2 here, 2, 4. 4. I have mentioned 4H2. 4H2O means 4H, 4OH. 4H2O means, if you simply note it, H2O, HOH. 4H2O, 4H2O means 4H, 4OH. This is nothing but 4H, 4OH. So, Mg2C3, 2Mg, 2Mg, 4 O's, 4 here, 2 into 4H. Besides that, here 1H, here 3, 4H. Okay, okay. C3, 3 carbons, okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons, okay, okay. Mg2, 2 magnesiums, here 2 magnesiums, okay, okay. 2 into 2, 4 O's, 2 into 2, 4H. Again here 1 plus 3, 4H. So total how many H's are there? 8H, 4O. You see? 4 into 2, okay, 8H, okay. 4 into O, 4. This is nothing but for the understanding of the individual. For clear idea of the individual student, I am going to divide H2O to maintain the balance in the equation. Your chemistry mentor Chandrasekhar sir, what is going to do? He has divided H2O into HOH. How many HOH? He has taken 4H2O to balance this equation, for which 4H, 4OH. Here 4H nothing react with this one, so this one C3, Mg2 react with 4OH. Mg2, kindly keep it in mind, any carbon group react with hydrogen, C3 4H. I can write like this, C3H4. Am I correct or not? C3 4H. How can you write? C3H4. You see? 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 3, 4. So, propane formula. What is the formula of propane? C3H4. You see, Mg2C3 plus 4H2O. Your chemistry mentor, what he has done? 4H, 4OH. 4H react with carbon. It converted to C3H4. C3H4. Here Mg2 react with 4OH. Mg2 react with 4OH. 2 MgOH taken twice. So what happened? One propane. This is nothing but allied group. So whenever magnesium carbide react with water, we get one propane. That reaction is called one propane. This hydrolysis, what happened? This Mg2C3 is called halides. Why? It forms one propane. This is nothing but halide. Not vinyl, halide. So one propane, if it gives one propane, then you have to suppose to say magnesium carbide is a halide group. So what you simply say, one is methanides. Another one is methanides. First one, methanides. Here carbon 4 minus. Acetylides. C2 2 minus. Halides. C3 4 minus. Okay? In methanides, aluminum carbide or beryllium carbide react with water. Aluminum carbide or beryllium carbide react with water, we get methane. So they are called methanides. Calcium carbide react with water. You can say Li2C2 lithium carbide. Na2C2, you can say sodium carbide. Okay, no problem. Acetylene, calcium carbide react with water, we get acetylene. So calcium carbide is called acetylides. Acetylides you have to write C2 2 minus. Carbides you have to write C4 minus. Magnesium carbide Mg2C3. You please note it. Whenever magnesium carbide react with water, we get propane, one propane. So propane is nothing but allyl group. So I can say magnesium carbide is nothing but halides. What are carbides? What are methanides? What are acetylides? What are halides? Aluminum carbide, methanides. Calcium carbide, acetylides. Al4C3, methanides. Calcium carbide, acetylides. Magnesium carbide, halides. This is methane. This gives on hydrolysis, it gives methane. So methanides, it gives acetylene, it gives acetylides, it gives one propane, it gives halides. So most important for high competitive exams, my dear students, you please note it. I have sent 2 videos. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Your Chandra sir, you are giving my passion is to give free education for the people who do not have access to pay huge amounts of money for the coaching centers. So I am for you. So whenever you feel doubt, you may pose any questions to clarify your doubts. Your Chandra is always with the people who do not poor family. Poor students. So you have no doubt, your Chandra sir is besides you. Don't forget, whenever you come across any doubt in chemistry, I am ready to clarify from intermediate to IIT advanced. You put any doubt, either make a call or in description box. Definitely I will give my answer. I wish you all the best. God bless you in all aspects.